Hi, this is Lono Cfn Preview. In this video, I'm going to cover how Lono Cfn Preview works. So here's a summary of what we're going to go over. But before we do this, what is Lono? Well, Lono is a CloudFormation framework. It helps you create, manage, and launch CloudFormation templates and stacks very easily. So also, what is Lono Cfn Preview? Well, Lono Cfn Preview is based on something called AWS CloudFormation Change Sets. AWS CloudFormation Change Sets is Amazon's dry run mode. So it allows you to preview a stack update before you actually update the stack. It's a very powerful commanding ability. When I found out about it, I immediately added Lono Cfn Preview. So in this video, I'm going to cover both of those commands. First, we're going to go over the standard AWS CLI change set commands. Then we're going to go over the Lono Cfn Preview command, so then we can compare the two commands and see how they work. Then we'll run the Lono Cfn update command to demonstrate how it automatically calls Lono Cfn Preview internally. All right, let's jump to the blog post. This video is based on this blog post, AWS CloudFormation dry run with Lono Cfn Preview. And here's a stack that I've already created. It's an example. The stack is called example. There are two resources, EC2 instance and instance security group. And when we update the stack, we're going to add a Route 53 record to the stack. That's all we're adding. Okay, so let's jump into the terminal and run the first command. So we're going to run the raw AWS CloudFormation change set commands. And this is what it looks like. AWS CloudFormation create change set, stack name, and then also parameters, and then the change set name, that long command. And then we're going to run the describe change set command so we can see what the change set looks like. And it looks like this. AWS CloudFormation describe change set, stack name example, change set -1, the name of the change set we named previously here. And then I piped into JQ so I can only filter out the changes. So you can see that this change set is going to add a Route 53 record set. Okay? And then the third command that you would normally run in order to execute the change set is called execute change set. And then this one's a lot shorter. It's just stack name and change set name. We're not going to actually run that command. Instead, we're going to use Lono Cfn Preview. So Lono Cfn Preview takes the stack name and then takes the template. And here we're going to go instance and Route 53. So let's see. This basically command runs all these other commands, except it does one extra special thing, which we're about to see. Let's find out the surprise. So there we go. There it goes. And it's generating the preview still down here. And it's generated right there. So that's the exact same thing we saw earlier. But look, there's a bunch of extra green stuff here. What's this green stuff? So look at this. Running color diff, existing CFN template, and then the output template, the one that was generated. So what basically happened was Lono Cfn downloaded the existing template, and it compared it against the template that we're about to apply. And then you get a code diff. So you actually see the actual code diff, the difference between the CloudFormation templates. And also, Lono Cfn Preview takes the JSON output here and kind of nicely summarizes it into a more concise format. It's green here because a resource was being added. If a resource is being modified, this will show up as yellow. If a resource was being removed, this will show up as red. So those are some nice things that Lono Cfn Preview does. So next command is Lono Cfn Update. So it's the same thing except it's update. And now you'll see what it does. It generates a change set right there. And then it prompts you, are you sure? Do you want to update that change set? So let's go ahead and update it. There we go. It's running the change set right now. And notice the change set name here. It's a generate change set name because that's a pretty tedious task to have to name the change sets. So we can go here and check out the change set. Refresh. It says the stack was updated with the change set. So it's already updated because I updated it, right? So that's pretty cool. And that's basically Lono Cfn Preview. So let's recap. Lono, you could run the standard AWS CLI commands. That was, we saw three commands. That was create change set, then describe change set, then execute change set. And the way what Lono CFN Preview does is it automates that workflow, but then it provides an extra nice feature where it provides you with diff of the code itself too. All right. So here are the resources. It's just a link to the blog post that I just covered here. I've hoped you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, be sure to like it to encourage more content like this. If you have any questions or have any video suggestions, feel free to comment below. And if you need any DevOps help, check out BoltOps. And subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thanks, guys.